Respect is the cornerstone of any meaningful relationship, and earning it can make all the difference in how you are perceived. If you want to make a lasting impression and gain her respect instantly, there's one powerful move you need to master: setting firm boundaries with confidence and respect. This single action not only showcases your self-worth, but also conveys that you value mutual respect in any relationship. Here's how to master this move in real life. 1. Why setting boundaries commands respect. Boundaries are the unseen lines that guide how we interact with others, shaping what is acceptable and what crosses the line. Setting boundaries isn't about being rigid or unkind. It's about defining your value and creating space for mutual respect. When you set clear boundaries, it communicates three powerful messages about who you are. First, you know your worth. People naturally respect a man who respects himself. Boundaries show that you value yourself enough not to tolerate behavior that undermines your dignity. This confidence makes you stand out as someone with high standards. Second, boundaries reflect that you value healthy communication. By setting these guidelines, you encourage others to engage in mutual respect and understanding. This discourages toxic behaviors like manipulation or disrespect and fosters an environment where both parties feel heard and valued. Finally, boundaries are a sign of confidence and assertiveness. Being able to say no or articulate your needs in a respectful manner demonstrates emotional maturity. Confidence is magnetic, and standing firm on your principles commands admiration. In every interaction, boundaries are a tool to protect your integrity and elevate your relationships. When you set them with clarity and respect, you become someone others admire and respect in return. 2. The psychology behind this move. Setting boundaries confidently isn't just about creating rules. It's a reflection of your emotional stability and maturity. Two traits that are universally attractive. When you establish boundaries, you're sending a clear signal that you know your worth and won't compromise your principles to gain approval. This unwavering confidence positions you as a man of integrity, someone who values himself and expects others to do the same. Healthy boundaries also play a crucial role in eliminating behaviors that can come across as needy or desperate. These traits are often deal breakers, as they suggest a lack of self-assurance. By maintaining your boundaries, you project strength and independence, qualities that are foundational for earning respect and admiration. A man who doesn't rely on external validation. To feel secure exudes an irresistible air of self-reliance and purpose. This approach isn't about being confrontational or controlling. It's about balancing respect for yourself with respect for others. When you handle boundaries with confidence and poise, you show that you are emotionally grounded and capable of fostering healthy relationships. This psychological strength makes you stand out as a high-value individual, earning respect and attraction in equal measure. 3. Real-life example. Putting it into action. Imagine this scenario. You're on a date, and the conversation steers toward your personal goals. You share your ambitions enthusiastically, but she casually laughs it off, labeling your goals as unrealistic. In this moment, you face a choice. React defensively, stay silent, or take the high road. A confident man who respects himself chooses the latter. Instead of letting the comment derail your mood, you respond with calm assertiveness. I understand where you're coming from, but my goals are important to me, and I work hard for them. I'd appreciate support or constructive feedback instead of dismissal. This response achieves two critical things. First, it establishes your boundaries without being confrontational. By calmly asserting that you value your goals, You make it clear that dismissive behavior won't be tolerated. Second, it opens the door to respectful communication. By inviting constructive feedback, you show emotional maturity and a willingness to engage in meaningful dialogue. In this moment, you position yourself as a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to stand up for himself. This balance of confidence and openness not only earns respect, but also demonstrates that you value mutual understanding in any relationship. 4 final thoughts. Respect is not something you can demand. It's something you earn through your actions and character. One of the most powerful ways to command respect is by setting firm but respectful boundaries. This act not only defines how others treat you, but also positions you as a high-value individual who knows his worth. When you establish clear boundaries, you naturally command attention and admiration because you're showing confidence, emotional maturity, and self-respect. But setting boundaries isn't just about gaining respect from others. It's about reinforcing your own self-respect. Every time you stand up for yourself and communicate your needs effectively, you affirm your value. This internal validation is key because it prevents you from seeking approval from others and keeps you grounded in your principles. When you respect yourself, it becomes easier for others to follow suit. Confidence, assertiveness, and clarity in your interactions create a ripple effect, fostering healthier and more fulfilling relationships. So, take charge of your interactions starting today. Show the world that you value yourself enough to set the standard for how you're treated. As you make respect a consistent part of your behavior, you'll find it becomes an effortless part of your relationships.